Today we are going to solve some numerical based on interference. First numerical. Newton's rings are observed normally in reflected light of wavelength 6000 angstrom. The diameter of 10th dark ring is 0.50 centimeter. Find the radius of curvature of the lens and the thickness of the film. Okay. So first of all, we have to find two things in this question. First, thickness or radius of the curvature of the lens and thickness of the film. In Newton's rings experiment, the diameter of nth dark ring is given by the formula dn square is equal to 4n lambda r upon mu, where mu is the refractive index of the material of the film and lambda is wavelength of the light. Capital R is radius of the curvature of used lens, and here dn square is diameter of the ring. In this question, n is equal to 10 because it is here the diameter of 10th ring. So n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10, and the wavelength is given in our question is 6000 angstrom, and diameter of the ring is given. It is here diameter of the ring is given 0.50 centimeter, and in this case the film is made by air, therefore the mu is equal to refractive index of the medium is equal to 1. So our formula reduced in this form: d square is equal to 4n lambda r. In our question we have to calculate r, therefore r is equal to d square. It means dn square is upon 4n lambda. So value of dn is equal to 0.50 square. It means 0.50 into 0.50 upon 4. N is equal to 10, 10th dark ring, and lambda is 6000 angstrom. After solving, we get the value of radius of curvature is equal to 106 centimeter. Okay, first part is completed. Now, if small t is the thickness of the film corresponding to a ring of diameter capital D, then 2t is equal to d square upon 4r. It is the relation between diameter and thickness of the film. So 2t is equal to d square upon 4r. But we have to calculate t, thickness of the film. So t is equal to d square upon 8r. It means diameter of the ring is given 0.50, d square 0.50 into 0.50 upon 8r. r की वैल्यू यहाँ पे हमने कैलकुलेट की 106 सेंटीमीटर. Now substituting and after solving we get the value of thickness of the film. It is t is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Okay, first question is completed. Now second question. The lower surface of lens resting on a plate, plain glass plate, has a radius of curvature of 400 centimeter. When illuminated by a monochromatic light, the arrangement produces Newton's ring, and the 15th bright ring has a diameter of 1.16 centimeter. Then calculate the wavelength of the monochromatic light. In this question, some values are given, like the radius of curvature, it is capital R. Capital R is given 400 centimeter, and monochromatic light, and number of ring is 15, and diameter of the 15th ring is given 1.1 centimeter. We have to calculate the wavelength of the monochromatic light. Okay, so now the relation between diameter and wavelength. The diameter of nth bright ring is given by. Now our relation becomes dn square is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda r upon mu. Okay, in this case n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Given in given question, value of n is equal to 15. Diameter of 15th ring is 1.16. Radius of curvature is given 400 centimeter, and refractive index of the medium is 1 because it is air. Therefore, lambda is equal to d square upon 2 in bracket 2n minus 1 into r. Now substituting the values, d is equal to 1.16, n is equal to 15, r is equal to 400, and after solving we get the value of wavelength 5429 angstrom. Okay. Now third question based on Newton's ring is: Newton's ring are observed by keeping a spherical surface of 100 cm radius on a plate glass slate. If the diameter of 15th bright ring is 0.590 cm and diameter of the 5th ring is 0.336 cm, what is the wavelength of light used? In this case, we have the diameter of two different numbers of ring and radius of the curvature is given. Then in this case we have to calculate the value of wavelength. Okay, so our relation for this case, lambda is equal to wavelength of the light, lambda is equal to dn plus p square minus dn square upon 4pr. Okay, let us assume if n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 5, n plus p, let n is equal to 5, p is equal to 10, then n plus p is equal to 15. It means dn means d5, it means dn plus p d15. Diameter of 5th ring and diameter of 15th ring is given in our question. It is here. Diameter of 15th bright ring is 0.590 and diameter of 5th ring is 0.336 centimeter. Okay, so now substituting the values, d15th diameter of 15th ring square minus diameter of 5th ring square upon 4, p is equal to 10, r is given 100 centimeter. After substituting the values and solving, we get the value of wavelength lambda is equal to 5880 angstrom. Okay.